Upbeat music plays. Camera fades in, showing the Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop on the left and the H2O MOP X5 on the right. Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you avoid buyer's remorse like it's a bad Tinder date. Today, we're diving deep into the steamy world of mops. Yes, you heard it right, mops. Because who doesn't want to get all hot and bothered while cleaning their floors? We've got the Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop and the H2O MOP X5. Let's see which of these bad boys can steam clean your life and your floors better. First up, let's talk about the price. The Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop is priced at $149. Reviewers rave about its affordability and how it provides great value for the money spent, especially given its effectiveness on various types of flooring. On the other hand, the H2O MOP X5 comes in at $169. Despite being slightly more expensive, some users still find it worth the investment due to its versatility and 5-in-1 features, even if there are concerns about its durability. Let's get into the features. The Shark Mop is straightforward and effective, with users appreciating its 3-level steam setting. Reviewers recommend wetting and wringing out the pads for better results, highlighting its performance in removing tough dirt and grease. In contrast, the H2O MOP X5 is seen as a 5-in-1 powerhouse, with attachments for multiple cleaning tasks. However, some users have reported issues with the quality of the attachments, such as them falling apart during use, which raises concerns about its long-term reliability. Cleaning power is essential. The Shark Mop heats up in about 30 seconds, getting the job done quickly, which users love for last-minute cleaning before guests arrive. Reviewers note its ability to effectively sanitize without chemicals. Meanwhile, the H2O MOP X5 boasts 1,300 watts of steam cleaning power. Users appreciate its strong steam output for deep cleaning, but some have expressed dissatisfaction with its performance on certain surfaces, indicating that it might not always live up to its high expectations. When it comes to versatility, the Shark is great for floors, but lacks the multitasking capabilities some users desire. Reviewers have noted it does its job well, but doesn't offer much beyond that. In contrast, the H2O MOP X5 is praised for its ability to switch to handheld mode for various cleaning tasks. However, some users have commented on the mop's construction quality, expressing concerns that it feels cheap and may not hold up to extensive use. Overall, the Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop receives high marks for its effectiveness, ease of use, and value for money, making it a popular choice among users. In contrast, the H2O MOP X5 is appreciated for its versatility and multiple functions, but it faces criticism regarding its build quality and effectiveness on certain surfaces. Camera zooms out to show both mops. So after all that steamy action, which mop comes out on top? If you want a reliable, no-nonsense steam mop that gets the job done, go for the Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop. But if you're looking for versatility and multiple functions, the H2O MOP X5 is your go-to gadget. Remember, folks, whether you're Team Shark or Team H2O, the best mop is the one that fits your cleaning style and makes your floors sparkle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep it steamy and keep it clean.